CPR saves lives. But safe training starts with clean CPR mannequins. During CPR training, the same mannequin is often used by multiple participants. That's why maintaining proper hygiene is crucial to help prevent the spread of bacteria and viruses. CPR mannequins from Ambu are equipped with a lung bag that causes the chest to rise when air is blown in. This lung bag should be replaced after each student. Here's how to replace it. Remove the used lung bag and install a new one as shown. Always disinfect the mannequin's mouth and nose area after use. We recommend using disinfectant wipes for quick and effective cleaning. It's also important to wash the facial skin using warm water from 60 to 70 degrees Celsius and a mild detergent. Allow it to dry completely before storing. To protect your mannequin and keep it in good condition, store it properly in the supplied bag after use. If you have any questions, our expert team is here to help. Feel free to contact us anytime.